boys. As he has just explained, we found it necessary to come in and help you. They're doing a great job, and we feel that this will help somehow. So we're going to give you 400 liters.
Okay. So we go like that. Okay.
Put it there.
Yes.
It's 400.
400 to keep Mr. Oban.
400. This is for.
This is for Impilo?
This is for Impilo.
No, not when they come and check. Here's the chip. Here's the chip for Impilo.
So this is 400 liters for you
Mm-hmm.
of diesel.
Thank you very much. We appreciate, like I said, that these 400 liters will go a long way in helping us running our ambulance and also generators in times when we do not have power. We want to thank you very much and we pray that God will continue to bless you as you bless those around you. Thank you very much.
We'd like to commend you also for the great work that you're doing. And on behalf of all the other CBC boys, we'd like to thank you for the great work you're doing. And Doctor, as we indicated, we're going to also deliver some to UBH, to Royal Women's Clinic, to Thornwood Hospital, and to Bulawayo City Council.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.